Rolling buzz down. I just touched down. Don't do no lean. Put the crush down. Club going crazy as shit. Feel like I'm made of this shit. Some of you niggas look dusty. They need a maintenance bitch. Let the bodies hit the floor. 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 Everybody hit the floor. You got bottles, I got more. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor.
Hey, y'all doing okay? We're just gonna jump right into it. I'm putting on some primer with a brush and blending it out with my fingertips. Right under my brow, I am using a nude matte shade to help with diffusing the colors we're going to be using. I'm using this blue matte shadow. This is going to frame the rounded shape we're going for. And after I have the color down to the amount of pigment that I want, I am going back and forth with the nude and blue shadow to make sure they're blended really well to get a smooth transition. Don't mind my ear. I was filming for another video, but I'm fine. I don't have frostbite or anything like that. I'm cool. Now I am taking a cut crease base and using a flat concealer brush to carve out my new crease because I have hooded eyes. You want to take your time with this to get the lids at least close in size and shape. You don't want one to be a lot larger or rounder than the other. Rude! So just keep that in mind. On the center of the lid, I am taking a dark blue shadow and patting that on to get the most pigment into the center. Close to the edges, I'm being careful not to overblend because I don't want to cover up the lighter blue and ruin the shape that we've created. I'm going to go back and forth with the two blue shades to make sure they are both diffused but still visibly separate, because we're going for a very blown out look. And here you can see the before and after, so make sure you're taking your time to blend out as much as you can because it is important. Now I'm just cleaning off my face and moisturizing since my skin was super dry. I am glossing over my foundation since this was rough, to be honest. I put all the products I used down below, but I was trying out things and I looked like I was getting ready for a funeral, my own funeral. Once I figure out something I like, I will give you beans a foundation routine. But I look casket sharp and I don't want to talk about it. No. For the bottom of the eye, we're repeating the colors, diffusing the light blue, then keeping the dark blue on the lash line. To add some depth and dimension, we're taking in a matte black shadow and bringing that in the outer corner and pulling it in just a bit. We're also going to use a black eye pencil on the waterline and set it with the same black shadow. For the inner corner highlight, I am going to put down some glitter primer and spread it out almost in a starburst shape, or kind of like, it looks like an octopus to me. Like the innermost part of your eye is the octopus body and then the little starbursts are the legs. But right after you put down the primer, you're going to go ahead and take a shimmery blue shadow and we're going to put that on that area that I just stated because words confuse me. Inner corner, that area, yeah. And you're just gonna pull it out, and this adds a lot of dimension to the eye, and it really draws the light into the eye. Y'all all know what I'm talking about. For the face, I used a kind of dusty pinky blush, which I rarely do. I rarely use blush. I used a blue liquid highlighter then a powder highlighter over that, focusing on the highest points of my face. Then I went in with a blue eyeshadow as a blush just cause I thought it looked cute. I can't remember if I've done a split lip color in a video before, but I really wanted to do one for this look, so I did. I used nude on the bottom lip, and for the top lip I did black with a really defined cupid's bow. I used a lip brush to get the shape I wanted, and then went in with the applicator from the liquid lipstick to add another coat just to make sure it was very opaque. I added some finishing touches and added gloss to the bottom lip, and here's the look. I had planned for this to be a different look, but then this happened instead, and I ain't mad at it. Here we are. Here they are. Your resident Fearleader, please and thank you. I hope you all enjoyed the tutorial. I enjoyed doing it. And I hope you all keep a lookout for more videos. And I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.